Hey beauties, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Liza, and thank you so much for hitting the play button with me and spending a few minutes of your day with me. Alright my beauties, so I think if I recall correctly, in my last video I mentioned that I tried filming my first easy get ready tutorial with me twice, you guys. I'm like, ugh. Okay, so really quick story. Yes, I've tried filming it twice. It is the third time doing this, and I shall prevail. I want to do this for you guys, and I want to continue to grow on my channel with you guys and just like learn a bunch of new stuff and just do like eyeshadow tutorials and full look tutorials and all that greatness. So for the third time, here we go. Third time's a charm. Let's get into it. Today I'm going to be showing you just a really quick and easy everyday tutorial. This is what I do for work all the time. Sometimes I use liners, sometimes I don't. It is entirely up to you and how you're feeling that day. Just really quick before I get into it, just a reminder, I do upload every Wednesdays and Sundays. If I do not forever, for some reason, I don't get to upload Wednesdays because sometimes my schedule does get a little hectic and I'm not able to, I will always upload the next day, which is a Thursday. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So in front of me, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. So it's going to be very quick, very easy. I'm sure you can get this done within 10 minutes of like, you know, getting out your door for your day and whatever you need to do, work, errands, whatever the case may be. So the first thing I always do, I've already done it, is I wash my face and I moisturize it. So when I wash my face, I go in with some coconut water after it, and it just makes me feel refreshed and everything. And then I go in with moisturizer. So I've already done that. So the first step you want to do in this really quick and easy tutorial, you guys, is primer. I'm going to use, you know, I use the Smashbox primer a lot, but since this is like an everyday thing, you don't have to use like your expensive stuff. And just a heads up, beauties, you don't have to use exactly what I have. You can use whatever you have, whatever you're comfortable using. If you don't have any, a lot of the products that I'm using today are very affordable. I will leave everything down below for you guys in the description box so you can check that out. So the first thing I'm going to use is, I don't think I've mentioned this one on my channel before, is by Pacifica. It is like a primer get glowing spray for your face. And I really like this because it smells like Now and Laters. You know, the candy, it smells amazing. It really helps too to keep my foundation on. So this is not like, I really tried this on a whim and it actually works. So this is the Pacifica Crystal Power Hydro Mist. And it is for all skin types, and it's also vegan and cruelty free. So my Smashbox primer is like a gel or whatever, so I use my fingers obviously for that one, but this one comes in a bottle. There's lots of different primers out there, you guys. Just find what really works for you and what you feel is great for yourself. And this one, I believe it was like $9.99 or $10.99. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my face and just let it sink in for a minute. Oh, and just air that out. I need to like buy a fan, you guys. So whew. Excuse me not talking much, you guys. I'm not used to this. This is my first time like doing a tutorial on my channel for you guys, and I'm really excited. I'm also nervous because I know like we have to, you know, talk you through it and stuff like that. Sometimes I'm good at explaining things, sometimes I'm not, so we're just gonna go through it, okay? Okay, so let this dry in. The next thing I'm gonna go in is, we are not using liquid foundation today at all, you guys. Like, this is just very easy, quick, get ready, minimal thing. So I'm gonna actually go in with my powdered foundation, and what I use for powdered foundation is by Bare Minerals BarePro in the color Nutmeg. As you can see, I use it quite often. I've already hit pan on it, so I need to buy another one. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M439. I love this brush. This is like my holy grail brush. I probably mentioned that in a previous video, but yes, I freaking love this brush. It is ridiculous, you guys. It just gets my foundation like no streaks, just a really nice canvas to start with, nice and smooth. I really like this brush. So I'm just gonna go in everywhere with my powdered foundation and just get my skin nice and smooth with a little bit of a tan on it. Sorry if I'm a little quiet. If you hear some additional noise in the background, I think my mailman is like in the neighborhood, and you can kind of hear like his little truck going and stopping. And I also have a fan on going because I'm hot. You guys, like I slept in today. I guess I just needed it, like legit slept in. I am a morning person. I am usually up by 6:37. No matter if I'm off or going to work, or if I'm going to work late or whatever, I'm just like always up early. And I slept until 10:30 today. I was like, what? Yeah, so I am praising Jesus for that because I needed it. And I just wasn't feeling good. All right, you guys, so get it everywhere. Nice smooth canvas. And with my brush, I like to go in circular motions and all that good stuff. So, okay. Next step I'm going to do is liner. Like I said, you can use a liner if you want. You don't have to use one. Today we're going to use a liner. So I'm going to go in with my Avon Saturn Gray Smoky Eyeliner. So what I do is I start from the inner and bring it all the way out to the outer. And I really love this liner because it's nice and smooth. And it does not budge, you guys. Does not budge at all. Sorry if I'm like leaning this way. I got my little mirror here. And I don't want to have it like in my face where you can't see me. So I want you to see what, you know, I'm doing. So yeah, and then I love the color. It matches with anything that I'm wearing. And then I do the bottom from the outer to inner. And I also like this color because it gives me a little bit of like a grungy look. And it's just really quick and easy. It doesn't budge. They don't smudge or anything like that. It lasts all day. I always get these in the Avon book for like $2.99. And then the same thing on the other side. Guys, what shows are you into? Oh my gosh, there's so many shows that I'm watching. My Animal Kingdom is about to finish. I'm so sad. Dude, the Kardashians are back, and there is so much drama in that family. It is crazy. Makes good for television, right? Whatever works. Let me bring this more in. And you can use any color you want, you guys. It doesn't have to be gray. It can be black if you're up for like blue, you know, whatever floats your boat. My next one is mascara, and I'm gonna really try to do this really quick for you guys, so you know that, so you can see that it can only take 10 minutes. I'm going with the Essence mascara. What is this one? The Essence Lash Princess. One of my holy grails. I absolutely love the applicator. It gets in the corners really nice and just fans out my lashes. Other side. Just be careful not to poke yourself, you guys. And all this stuff I'm using is contact friendly because I do have contacts on. On the bottom. Inner corner, be careful. On the other side. Guys, I hope I can get this video out for you. Third time's a charm. I can't believe this is my third time trying to do this. It's so crazy. Okay, next I go in with my trusty Avon blush brush. It's angled, perfect for cheeks, and I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild color Icon in the color Mellow Wine. This is one of my favorite blushes. It just fits with any look that I'm doing. And I don't like to put it on the apples of my cheeks. I actually go like in a contouring motion angle because that's just the way I like to do it. I've always done it that way. It makes my face look a little slimmer. And it's my channel. I'm going to do what I want to do. So, yeah. So there's some blush really quick there. Next thing I always do, you guys, I comb out my eyebrows, because when I go in with my brush and my foundation, my eyebrows can get a little crazy. So I always brush out my eyebrows. Last step is some lipstick. I'm going in with a Colourpop lipstick. The name of it is Money Moves, and just the everyday kind of neutral lipstick. Pretty much will match anything that you put on. I have to wear red and blue for work, so fits the bill. And then last but not least, you guys, some setting spray. So this one is by Milani. I get it at Walgreens, $9.99. Smells amazing. It works. It's called Make It Last Setting Spray. The only thing is that when you use this a lot, it tends to like clog the spray, and then it comes out a little messy. But I put it like in an angle like this and just let it fall on my face, so it's just not a hot mess everywhere. And then just let that set in. And that is it, you guys. Like literally just a quick thing. You don't look like a hot mess. You don't look tired. And yeah, that is it. So I'm just want to remind you that please don't forget to subscribe if you found this video in any way, shape, or form helpful. And give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more tutorials on my channel. And then yeah, reminder again, I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays, and if I don't get you on a Wednesday, you will see me on a Thursday, beauties. I love you so much. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.